I'm going to prime my eye just using this concealer, the same one. Yeah, I'm going to use the Morphe sponge. I am using the Emily Edit the Want palettes. Oh my goodness, when I first saw this, I was dying to try. And my first try getting this palette at my Ulta, it was out. This is how it looks like. It has like a plastic thing, and I don't like those. I like the fact that the name of the eyeshadow is with it instead of come with the plastic thing, because it's really annoying. I don't keep those. So I am looking forward to use this palette. So pretty. I'm going to use this color, so I'm going to put that as my transition color. So I thought I was recording, but I guess not. So I just use blush right here. I'm going to use this brush right here. I'm going to use color right here. I'm going to put that under where I put just keep on running back and forth with the lash cry color, and I'm slowly building out the color. I used little by little because I want to build it up. I'm going back with the same brush, and I'm just going to tap into the same color. I'm just going to blend this up so it don't look so harsh. Going back with this one, I want to darken up the outer corner. I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to use the brush, tap it on some accents, add it to the outer corner right here, just to darken up. I want to use the same brush that I used earlier for my concealer. Okay, I know we kind of look cray-cray right now, but don't worry. So I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm going to use this one right here, right there. I'm just going to take my finger and press that in. I'm gonna prime my face with the Hangover RX by Too Faced. I used to use every single day.
I don't have any shine, so if you have dry skin, girl, I don't really know what this is. I mean, I'm okay with it. I'm fine. I don't know.
This is the LA Girl Pro HD High Definition Concealer, and the color Light Ivory. I'm going to use a darker concealer just to contour as a cream contour. Yeah. to use this brush for my cream contour. Brush is so good for cream contour if you like. See, it's really soft, really dense, and really good for nails. To put powder all over my face, I'm going to use this one. For my bronzer, I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer by Physician Formula. I'm gonna mix the two, but first let me spray a little bit on my brush. Okay. Just a little bit more. Like, I don't really like these fan brush because they don't work that good. See that? See that? Oh my god. Let's for my nose. Okay, so one last step is I'm gonna have this in a corner and I'm gonna go change and I'll be right back, and you guys are going to see the transformations on me like this to this. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of my tutorial today, inspired by this outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, then give me a thumbs up, okay? I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye!